कहीं ना कहीं हम देख रहे हैं कि जो टैलेंट यहाँ पर आए हैं उनके साथ साथ कैलाश खेर भी यहाँ पर आज मौजूद थे।
हाँ।
रोशन जोशी भी आए हैं, उन्हें भी वो भी देख रहे हैं। तो कुछ कॉम्प्लीमेंट मिला आपको या फिर कैलाश जी इस मुहिम से एसोसिएट है?
वेल कैलाश खेर कैलाश को मिला था 2002 में राजीव शर्मा के साथ फ्री स्पिरिट रिकॉर्ड्स में, और हमने पहले कैलाश का पहला शो हमने ही फंड किया था, तो उसको 4 साल लगे उसको इसका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिलने में। कैलाश पुराना दोस्त है, और जब कैलाश हमने लिखे थे मैगजीन में कि कैलाश बहुत सक्सेसफुल होगा 2002 में, तो जब कैलाश का सक्सेस हुआ तो रेव के सक्सेस वैसे ही हुआ। और आज तो प्रसून एंड एवरीबडी, बिकॉज इंडस्ट्री चाहिए, वी नीड एवरीबडी टू वर्क टुगेदर।
What about the artists which are existing? Do they believe in something which is which we believe in?
It's an interesting question.
How is it?
See, unfortunately, the music industry is very splintered. Nobody really works together. The movie industry kind of works together, the modeling industry works together, insurance companies work together. But the music industry, for some reason, they're very insular, they're very cliquey, they like their own little groups. I'm trying to get everybody to come together to try to promote these young people. I think that we can do more together. If the media was to get behind us, and as you saw, there's a lot of innovation happening. These kids are, these Dharavi kids, and they know classical, They know, I'd say that they know more about music than 90% of the DJs that are playing in Bombay today. They don't know time signatures, and they're rapping in all the languages. So I think they're the future,
Future plans with Rave, what is coming up next?
Well, we're going to relaunch the magazine in June 5th, but I've decided exclusively now to work. See, when I found Kailash, or when they found Kailash, he was also deprived. You cannot come from privilege and be a successful artist. So I'm going into Dharavi. We are going to be every week we are doing concerts in Dharavi, for Dharavi, by Dharavi. I'm doing chess tournaments in Dharavi. I believe that if we save the slums, we can save India. And there is prodigal talent in these places. There are kids that don't have the opportunity. As you saw today, there is where the future of India lies. Not with these South Koreans.
There's lots of enthusiasm within the family and the artists. That's something very encouraging, I'm sure.
Yeah, we need the family. India's about family. We need family, and we're all family. But I think it's really important for everyone to realize that those kids that are living in the worst possible conditions, that they are more together than any group of people I've ever seen. They know each other's lyrics. Have you ever seen anybody dance like that for anybody who's music in India? That's the future. And they love each other. They're together. Power in numbers, right? United. Thank you.
Right there. Hello. Sound check. Hello. Check. It's sound check. It's cool. Okay.
So yet another outstanding performance.
Thank you.
15 years of Rave, what do you have to say?
It's a great occasion, and I'm Salva Ganesh, a percussionist from South India, and I'm just working. I'm doing a lot of projects with Rave, and it's amazing movement. And always Rave is auspicious for us, and whatever Rave comes up, it's always like bangs, and that's how they're doing it. And especially my brother Rishi, and if he says something, he will definitely do it. That's his word, man of words. And I'm so happy to be in this occasion and to play with my son. And it's a great fun we had it, and it's going to be more fun in future. Yep.
Sir, I'm also talking about the performance, the new talent which is there. What do you have to say about the new talent which we see?
What Rave I've found, kids, I wouldn't say kids, they're already grown, but still they're kids for me, teen. They're like 16 to 18. They're from Dharavi, and they're kids and rapping with a rhythmic and syncopated. Yeah. So these kids, they are like rappers with a syncopated, and they can also follow classical, Carnatic rhythmic patterns and rhythmic structures. this is amazing, and rave have found them, and I no doubt about it that they're soon they're going to be a rock stars.
Thank you.
Thank you.
रेव के पूरे हुए हैं।
जी 15 साल रेव के पूरे होना मेरे लिए बहुत ही इमोशनल बात है। मैं ऋषि को मेरे करियर की बिगिनिंग से जानता हूँ और ऋषि मेरे लिए एक बिज़नेस कॉरपोरेट की हैसियत से नहीं है। मेरे नज़रों में वो मेरा दोस्त है, मेरा भाई है, एंड दैट काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग्स आर मोर इमोशनल देन प्रोफेशनल। Although everyone knows that our association happened in the beginning, रेव में हमारा एक कैलासा क्रॉनिकल बोल के आता था, लेकिन बियॉन्ड दैट यू नो ऋषि एंड मी हैव अ इमोशनल बॉन्डिंग because I know his parents and they are very close to me. They also count me like their own son only. So वो हमेशा बोलते हैं कि हमारे 2 बेटे नहीं हैं, 3 हैं, तीसरा तुम हो। So it's like that kind of feelings, it's a beautiful feelings. और आज रेव के अगर 15 years हुए हैं तो it feels good क्योंकि बहुत ही अच्छे दिन की बात होती है।
उनकी आज जो परफॉर्मेंस देंगे आपने, जो नया टैलेंट है, जो फ्यूजन जो क्रिएट किया है, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस इनिशिएटिव के बारे में?
It's a beautiful thing because see rave is all about music, and it's not about just publishing about music and musicians, but it's about to promote new music and new music talent. So that's what rave has been doing also.
रेव इज ऑल अबाउट रेव।
Yeah.
आपकी आज फेवरेट परफॉर्मेंस कौन सी रही अगर कहें? और
अगर मैं बोलूँ तो देखो 2 फेवरेट रही, एक तो बॉम्बे ब्लैक और ये सुरफिरा और अपने सलवा।
सरफरा के बारे में बात की थी और ऑब्वियसली आप मेंटोर हैं उसके बारे में कुछ बताएं।
सुरफिरा एक ऐसा बैंड है एक्चुअली जो थोड़ा गज़ल को कंटेम्प्रेरी फॉर्म में गाते हैं और सूफी रॉक गाते हैं। सूफी रॉक एंड गज़ल कंटेम्प्रेरी फॉर्म, सो यू नो दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ जॉनर सुरफिरा सिंग्स इन। एंड उसके बाद सेल्वा गणेश के लिए हम ये बोलना चाहते हैं कि he is super talented, but more than talent, he is a wonderful human being, and we have jammed in one of the Kailasa's track. Silva has played in one of our album. तो हम लोगों की एसोसिएशन है, तो it's not about just work. Beyond work, we go emotionally, you know, connected, and that's how our connect is. Rishi's dream is to bring the music, the old charm of music up front for people, and that's what he's been trying. And our 15th year of celebration is maybe a pledge for the commitment that we are promising bringing new talent like that.
कहना चाहिए आप भी बिलीव करते हैं इस फिलॉसफी में कि नए टैलेंट को प्रमोट करना चाहिए?
हाँ, मैं
आपको आज कितनी वैरायटी लगी?
जी मैं बिलीव करता हूँ, मैं बिलीव करता हूँ, तभी तो मैंने यही काम किया। पहली बार जावेद अख्तर साहब ने एक अच्छी बात कही है जब लॉन्च करने आए थे 11 जनवरी को इनका एल्बम, कि कोई सिंगर किसी सिंगर को लॉन्च कर रहा है, ये पहली बार हो रहा। तो हम बिलीव करते हैं तभी तो, और इसी बिलीव के साथ रेव है। रेव भी बिलीव करते हैं क्वालिटी म्यूज़िक, क्वालिटी म्यूजिशियंस, क्वालिटी साउंड। यस।
Rishi, can we have you please for one question? Rishi, Meenakshi just mentioned that there's an emotional connect and you guys go, it's 15 years celebration today, and Kailash just shared the emotional connect that you're having. What do you say? What do you have to say about Kailash's journey with you, with Rave all these years?
Like you see, Kailash's success and Rave's success are intertwined because when we met Kailash in 2002, we said that he will be the most successful commercial singer of this decade, and when he did do that on March 24, 2006, that's when Rave got the credibility. So he made Rave, and I mean the world is a better place when Kailash Kher sings. If I could tell that story, when I met him, he was sitting in a small office. It's not glamorous, and I'm like, so you sing, so sing. So he starts singing "Pyare" by Nusrat Bhai. He sings for 4 minutes and he's smiling, and he goes, and I just knew that he wants to sing. And thank you so much for supporting us always, and it's great to reconnect.
Always. As I told you, Rishi is like brother to me, and this corporate house is our house. The rave, the brand, the magazine, the mission, it's all ours jointly. So I am very much part and parcel. Emotionally, there is no word which can define and describe this kind of bonding. You know, his parents call me also their son. And how it all happens, you know how they say that we have 3 sons. One is you and 2 Rahul and Rishi.
He won't, when he's in New York, he won't come visit me. He'll come visit my parents.
I don't meet him actually, seriously, often. But they know whereabouts of me, but this guy doesn't know.
he's
क्या गाना आपके मन में आता है? आज 15 साल की सेलिब्रेशन है।
जी मैं तो कुछ भी गा सकता हूँ, आप अगर बोलें तो अब मैं तेरी दीवानी गा लेता हूँ, या जो भी, या इसका फेवरेट गा लेता हूँ। दौलत शोहरत क्या करनी, तेरे प्यार का सहारा काफ़ी है, ये महल अटारी नहीं चाहिए, तेरे दिल में गुजारा काफ़ी है, दौलत शोहरत क्या करनी।
You cannot sing and not smile, I dare you. If you cannot smile and sing, thank you. You still have to sign my book?
हाँ हो गया सिल्वर सर पारुल जी ग्रुप का ही मारना है और सोलो भी मारना है।